Dear students, here we have a question. A segment of a circular wire of radius r extending from theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 carries a constant linear charge density lambda. The electric field at the origin is. So here we have a segment of line charge, right? So it has a constant linear charge density lambda, and if this I consider x-axis and this consider y-axis, then this is the radius r, right? So this angle is theta. So if I consider a small elemental length dl, then what is dl? Suppose this angle is, say I can write as r d theta, right? dl is equal to what? r d theta, because this is radius and this angle is d theta, right? Now due to this small elemental length, it has a line charge distribution. What is the, due to this elemental length, what is the electric field here? Say that is electric field dE, right? So we can make it into two component, right? So this is what dE, this is theta, means this also theta. So this is dE cos theta, and it's a direction, say minus x cap, right? And this is dE sin theta, it's a direction, say minus y cap, right? So let me write. So what is the net electric field? See, now you can write this dE as dE cos theta minus x cap plus dE sin theta minus y cap, right? Then what is electric field at O, right? So electric field you can write integral of this dE, you can write as, what is dE value? dE is 1 by c, that is due to this elemental length at a distance, what is electric field? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. What is q? Lambda dl. What is dl? r d theta by r square, right? Then lambda 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 dq by r square, but to find we have to integrate it, right, into cos theta minus x cap plus sin theta minus y cap. All right, so this is, now by integrating you can write, see, let me take the common terms out, lambda by 4 pi epsilon 0 r, right? r square cancel. Cos theta on integration, that is sin theta. The limit is varying from 0 to pi by 2, right? So cos theta on integration sin theta value 0 to pi by 2, that value is 1, then remaining is minus x cap plus, right, here again this lambda by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is common, right? Here sin theta on integration sin theta d theta minus cos theta 0 to pi by 2, again 1, but here minus y cap, right? So finally E you can write as lambda by 4 pi epsilon 0 r minus x cap minus y cap. This is the answer. Then which is the option? Option A is correct, right? All right. Thank you.